In this video, I am going to show you how to convert MS Word data into Excel. Here we have some data. I want to convert this data to Excel. For this, click on File, click Save As, go to Browser, click this drop-down list under Save As type and choose Plain Text and change its name as you want and click on Save. After then, this window will pop up. Simply click OK. Now open your Excel sheet and go to Data and click on From Text CSV. Click on it and choose your file as soon as you save. Select this and click Import and click on Load. So here you can see our MS Word data is converted into Excel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video and subscribe my channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.